Hello, students. This week, week 6, we look at chapter 4, and the topic of chapter 4 is project management. So we define it and we discuss why it's important, and then we look at the critical path model. What is the critical path model? Well, it's a sequence of stages where you figure out what the least amount of time is necessary to complete a task with the least amount of slack. So the critical path is really the longest path of time that it will take to complete the project tasks. Um, Basically, most of your problems will end up dealing with determining the critical path. So you'll be completing a Connect assignment, and for part of that, you may need to use an Excel function, which I give you hints for and guidance for using in the learning session folder. So do make sure that you read through those hints and tips for completing your Connect assignment this week. The only other deliverable is your independent case study. So that is due on Sunday. There's no discussion board this week, and I just want to encourage you to continue to work on your green sourcing research paper. The end of the course is drawing near, and it's been a pleasure to work with you. If you have any questions, please send an email to Professor Rook, and he will make sure to clarify anything that you need.